Welcome to the first in our series of 5 videos where we talk about business success, but to get closer to the topic in hand, we will discuss how to avoid these success sabotaging mistakes. No matter how much you believe you want to be successful, it's possible that you are unconsciously doing things that are sabotaging your chances to experience true success. It may be fear of success or fear of failure causing it, but you can nip it in the bud if you know how to recognize it, stop it, and turn it around. And one thing to get to grips with is learning without implementing. At some point in any learning process, you have to implement. That means you have to do the action you've learned in order to receive the benefits of learning something. You can become a career student, but you won't learn a thing. A common mistake is not finding a mentor or a coach. Everyone needs someone who is positive and on their side, but it is also important to have someone who also knows the steps to success. You can't rely on your best friend or even your mother for this job. Find someone who is where you want to be and ask them if they'll mentor you for whatever fee they might charge. Just be sure to engage someone who has the necessary experience in what you're trying to do. It helps not to be focusing on the wrong things. It's easy to go nuts and place your focus on what seems like the right thing at the time, the thing that keeps you busy. But busy work is not necessarily going to earn you a single dime. Do the money-making activities first and only do one thing at a time, and remember that micromanaging is definitely overrated. Have you ever wondered why you're not finishing anything? If you are the type of person who has several projects going on at the same time with nothing finished, then you have to stop this behavior. Pick one of the projects most close to being finished and finish it. It will feel good. Misguided perfectionism can make or break a good business, even before it gets off the ground. Stop trying to reinvent the wheel. Other people have gone before you and designed and implemented perfection already, in most cases. But when it comes to certain business practices, it's important that you don't try to recreate something that won't work. Likely someone tried that before and found it didn't work. A good example of this is marketing funnels in online marketing. So many people say they dislike them and refuse to use them. Well, these are tried and true practices that get results. If you want results, do what the successful people do. Have you rid yourself of self-doubt? If you suffer from self-doubt, you may need professional help to get you through it. That help can come from a counselor, a coach, or a mentor, but you have to find a way to get rid of that nagging feeling. If you have both the time and the inclination, read the book Overcoming Imposter Syndrome by Elizabeth Harrin. You can find it at this link. It's okay being lazy. Most people do not want to think of themselves as lazy, but in all honesty, most people are. That's why, as a business owner, it's your job to make it easy for your customer to buy from you and use your services. Understanding that, you have to stop being lazy, but you don't have to be the Energizer Bunny either. Learn to work smart, not hard. Don't sabotage yourself or your success. Instead, take control and make good decisions for yourself and your business. Take steps daily to do what it takes to earn the type of money you want and need to earn.